Hey guys, figured I'd update you guys along the way real quick. Got the LED in there. As you can see, it's way bright. Got a little thumb hole spot here so I can turn the light on and off. I'll put some paint here. As you can see, I just have, let me get in here a little bit closer. There's the light right there. I just got some sticky foam right there. It's wedged in here right now, guys, but I'm not going to be leaving it like that. I'll be hitting it with expanding foam right here. I'll fill this whole cavity up and then make sure I put a little pipe in here or something so I can keep this open. And I'm just hoping that the expanding foam will go around that LED and just kind of hold it in there. I'll go ahead and turn this light off. You can kind of see, you can see that LED in there. So yeah, should turn out pretty good, guys. Next video, guys, I'll show it to you guys on the bike.